Hello there, beautiful souls. You are welcome back to my channel. I am Okeke Chizoba, and in today's video, I have something truly exciting to share with you. Have you ever dreamed of starting your own business, pursuing your dream career, or receiving the necessary support for your health journey, or seeking for help on how to get groceries for your house? I am happy to introduce to you groundbreaking website that connect those in need with generous and kind-hearted individuals who are willing to sponsor their aspirations or to support their needs. These incredible platforms are game changer for anyone who has been searching for that helping hand to turn their dreams into reality. Whether you are an aspiring entrepreneur, a talented artist, or someone in need of medical assistance, these websites provide a unique opportunity to connect with passionate individuals who are ready to make a difference in your life. So, whether you have a business idea that has been waiting to take flight, a career path you have always dreamed of, or a health journey that requires a helping hand, these websites are here to make your dreams come true. Stay tuned, my friends, as I will take you on a journey through these incredible websites, showcasing the inspiring stories of those who have found hope, support, and success through these platforms. Trust me, you won't want to miss this video. Initially, I have researched on more than 20 websites that can do all these things where rich or kind-hearted people give out money for free. I have done a lot of research and I have came up with only 10 or 11 websites that can easily help you with your project, and they are almost free. Some of them require that you can give out something in return after you have succeeded in your project. So just check it out. When you have succeeded in your project, you can now from your project bring out something and give back to them as a way to say thank you for supporting me. So the first website on my list is called Indiegogo. Indiegogo, if I'm correct. As you can see, just go to indiegogo.com. Okay, you can learn more about them. Click on learn more. You know, all these things, I will advise you to make your own research so that you will know how to position yourself. So from here, you find out they say that they will help you to sponsor that dream that you have. You have a dream, you don't have the money to sponsor it, we are here to help you. So if you go through this, you will learn that they are willing to help you. So all you have to do is for you to sign up with them and you are good to go. The second website on my list now is called Crowdfunder. They can sponsor your business, sports, charity, and a lot more. All you have to do for you to get started with all these websites is for you to find out more, research on them, then write out your stories, update your profile, do all the necessary things they asked you to do on the website. As you can see, they said that people are funding a lot of dreams, so you can actually do that if you have a reasonable story to tell. Then the next website I have here is called GoFundMe.com. GoFundMe.com. You come to the website, you click on start a GoFundMe. All you have to do, the necessary things. You can donate, you can gain from this website. So you can see what they have done. People that have raised a lot of money, how many people that have donated. Okay, as you can see, all these things, you can go through the website and they can do a fundraise for medical, emergency, memorial, education, non-profit. Go through it. Oh, this GoFundMe.com is kind of a popular website that helps individuals. The next website I have on my list is called Fundable.com. As you can see, they have raised up to 570 million plus US dollar, and they have 20,000 plus accredited investors. So go through their all these things. They have their requirements, and I believe that if you meet up with their requirements, then they are going to sponsor that's your dream. The next platform on my list is called JustGiving.com. They are one of the websites that also makes a difference by helping a lot of individuals. They can help your music, your music career, your anything that you want them to support you with. Just go to the platform, register, update your profile, then make everything legit. You click on sign up. The same thing in all the platforms. You click on sign up, input all the things they asked you of. This is another platform on my list. Go Get Funding. I'm going to show you what they have done. As you can see, they have 1 donor and 2 followers of this young man that someone has started with. So this is the campaign story of someone. If you read it, you go through it, you see that all these things, you have to make your story real and be truthful. Don't lie. There's no need of you lying with your health. You are going to get it. So don't lie. If you want to sign up, you click on sign in and start your fundraising with your stories, your real stories and not lies. Another website on my list is called fundmytravel.com. You can start your fundraising, find a campaign stand. If you want to travel but you don't have the money to travel, they can sponsor you. Maybe school children, as you can see, traveling to Tanzania, medical mission, donate to help school children. You have to make your campaign real. You can go to how it works and find out how it works. They have successful stories. These are people's successful stories. You can go through it and you will get the information you need. If you want to get started, you click on sign up. The next website I have on my list is called ulily.com. If I'm correct, ulily. So you go to the platform. They have a lot of projects in progress. If you want your music, your fashion, your health, if you also publish articles, if you have a charity organization, you can go there and set up all your projects and set up your campaign. This platform connects you with people that are willing to help you. All you have to do is for you to sign up with them, then you spread your campaign across the world. And I believe you people are going to sponsor you if your stories are real. The next website I have on my list is called Seed and Spark. Fund a project you can start, you can help them. Then if you want to start a project, to click on start a project. Then your stories matters a lot. They have created 4,100 projects. Then they have raised up to 51 million US dollar plus. So you can give it a try. If you want to start, you click on sign up and fill in the details needed and you are good to go. Another website on my list is called circleup.com. circleup.com. You can get started, fill in your profile, put your details, all you need, and you are good to go. Click on apply now. The next platform I have on my list is called Rocket Hub. Rocket Hub is one of the platforms that helps in giving people the help they need in their project. Is it you want to sponsor your music, your book, your career, your health? You can use rockethub.com. They can help you. I want to advise you on something. Be sincere in approaching these platforms. No need of you lying. And if you know anyone that needs something in return, then do your best to be immaculate. Be sincere. Don't be a liar. If you want help based on your health issue, all you have to do is for you to be sincere in what you are doing. Write up your story, put picture where needed, and you are good to go. And the last website I'm going to introduce to you is my own website. My own website based on Blessed Chizoba YouTube channel. I want you to all to subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell for more information when I am going to drop it. And also I have a business that I am going to be introducing to you if you are interested. The business is called Ghostwriting Income Generator. If you are interested, you can connect with me. I'm going to introduce you to the business and you are good to go.